Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to consolidate, and I'd like to make a general statement again about the market. It's really good to see that the altcoins are moving. And again, we talked about it. We talked about most of these probably have put in a low, a lasting low, or at least a more substantial low. Obviously, I can't update all charts because they are starting to run away, and that's typically what it is. So all I can really do, which is what I did on the 21st already on that Saturday, to highlight that we start to look for further rising prices across the market. Okay, so don't be surprised if Bitcoin consolidates, the altcoins are rallying, the altcoins consolidate, Bitcoin is rallying. So that's just a statement for anybody who's not familiar how bullish, is it already the bull run? I'm not sure, but it's too early. But typically how bull markets typically work. Okay, so in crypto, so you get Bitcoin, you get the altcoins, and just because when I did say we didn't really, it's not really a market for altcoins, right? Now that might be changing now. That might be changing, and still though Bitcoin is leading, right? But I mentioned as we approach sort of the 40 to 50K region and Bitcoin is consolidating, you will see the altcoins move. And that is exciting. That's exciting. So, just keep an eye out for altcoin rallies. And it's good if that happens, across the board, because it means that money is coming into the market. Money is coming into the market. Maybe let's take a look at market cap. I think I had the total already on here. So yeah, total 3. Let's look at altcoins. Altcoin money is coming in, not substantially yet, and we might get another low, but it might form a triangle here, for example. I'm very careful with analyzing market cap with Elliott Wave because it's not really a tradable asset as such, but still we can track some structures. Now, if the wave 4 was here, the 3 here, the 4 here, and the 5 here, the low is in, and it can also move, okay? So we hit here this larger support range, and maybe it's turning around. Now that's total 3. I'm not sure if I also had the other total. Yeah, total market cap. Oh no, that was Casper. 1 second. But yeah, it's exciting. It's exciting in the markets. Here. There you see it. So yeah, that's interesting. Can you see that? It's currently trying to break through a key level here. Absolute key level. So that means if we break above this level, which is around, what is that, 1.25, yeah, 1.25 trillion USD. That's when really new money is coming in, because anything below here, and that's psychologically important, because that really means that something is changing, because since June 22 we've been below that, but this means actually new money is coming in and not just shuffling around. Okay, so that's highly interesting. But let's talk about Bitcoin. Situation on the daily chart unchanged. Just a quick assessment for new viewers, because these days we get a lot of new viewers and a lot of new people interested in the crypto market. So I talk about that really every few days here, this daily time frame, but I want to just take a quick look in the beginning of some of the videos, just to show you the roadmap. If you like to get access to these charts, you can get that 24/7 in our membership. Silver and gold members have access to these charts on TradingView. So you can see when we make changes, you can just access them all the time. You can take your time to study them, and you can integrate them into your own TradingView if you like to. So the idea is that we are here currently still in a third wave. Bitcoin is consolidating, which is good, and the altcoins are moving, which is good. Especially because we don't have these rejections that we did have in the let's say in the bear market or in previous sections. So a lot of people still don't believe this could be something more substantial. Well, I can only say just focus on the trend, right? I don't want to be there and say now we're still going to collapse down. As long as we're holding support, as long as we have impulses across the board. And a lot of altcoins still haven't created a proper impulse. However, if you wait with highlighting that a low is in place until you have larger impulses, they are running away. But we still have to highlight, okay, but a bearish outcome is still possible as long as we don't have decent structures in place. Now, that doesn't mean we are not in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend, and it's something special this time. It's something different. Oh wow, is that Gala? Yeah, things are gonna crash. It is what it is. I can only say it feels like a little bit of excitement is coming back into the market. So yeah, it feels like we might get one more push in wave 3, then a 4, then a 5, and it should push higher eventually. Looking at the shorter time frame, what I'm thinking, two things. So it could be that this fourth wave is already over here. That's what we talked about yesterday. We have micro support here at $32,750. That's the 50% retracement level. As long as we stay above that level, an extension in this third wave I've just shown you on the daily chart is expected. But it doesn't mean we have to get there straight away. If we are here really in a wave 4 or maybe in a wave 5, different and difficult structures are possible. It's, for example, possible that this is just a high B wave. We come down in a flat. It's possible that it's forming a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, but it's too early to say that and then go up. It's also possible, because this is a 3-wave move up, that wave 4 already bottomed, and that this is an ending diagonal, which is forming 3 waves, A, B, C in wave 1, A, B, C in wave 2, A, B, C in wave 1, in 3, A, B, C in 4, A, B, C in 5. So that's how we could chop our way to the upside. So that's why I say oftentimes it's more important to just be focused on the support levels instead of trying to figure out which micro count it is in the correction, because you really can't. Below that 50% fib level, the assumption is that we're getting into this larger degree fourth wave here for a potential pullback. And only below 29,450 I will turn bearish again. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. If you're interested in the S&P 500 and stocks updates, check that. Check our S&P 500 and stock service out. Link is also in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.